It is well known that mass spectrometry is a gold standard analytical technique. But how does this fit in the world of bioprocessing? Mass spectrometers are typically large, power and space-demanding systems that require specialized users. In certain areas of bioprocessing, there doesn't seem to be the space or expertise for these kinds of systems. However, there is still the demand for mass spec data. Introducing the Microsaic MiD Protein ID. With the MiD Protein ID, you can now verify your target protein through the whole bioprocess. From cell train to bioreactor to drug capture to drug formulation, solving your mass identification needs in your bioprocess, both upstream and downstream. The MiD Protein ID benefits from Microsaic's unique patented chip-based technology, providing a completely toolless, one-box solution for mass detection. Its compact size and reduced pump down time makes the system easy to move from one place to the next. The MiD Protein ID has the ability to accurately detect both large, intact proteins and small molecules, such as metabolites and feeds in your bioreactor, with a mass range of 50 daltons to 150 kilodaltons. And with the capability to observe protein structural changes, such as a large range of PTMs, the MiD Protein ID gives you the ability to simultaneously monitor and control your bioprocess and verify your protein product. Fast, accurate, real-time mass data of critical process parameters and critical quality attributes allows you to make decisions faster, saving time in manufacturing and also the time to market for new biologics. Our award-winning MiD Protein ID allows mass identification of your bioprocess in real time. Contact us today for more information.